Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Heritage online banking account. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search heritage.com.au and press enter. Now you will be directly lead to this kind of interface, and at the top right, you can see the option login. Simply click on that. Now you will be lead to this kind of interface. Here all you need to do is fill down your credential, that is your member number and your password. Now in case if you have forgotten your member number or your password, then here you can see their phone number. You can call on that and they will assist you. If not, then you can simply click on login and you will be successfully logged into your Heritage Bank online account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.